Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Flow Launcher on your Windows computer step by step. If you want a faster way to launch apps, search for files, run commands, and perform quick tasks without navigating through multiple menus, Flow Launcher is a great tool to have. So let's get started. First, make sure Flow Launcher is installed, then open it from the Start menu or by using its default keyboard shortcut, which is usually Alt and space. Once activated, a small search box will appear in the center of your screen, ready for your input. Next, start typing the name of an application, file, folder, or setting you want to open. As you type, Flow Launcher will instantly display matching results. Use the arrow keys to select the item you want, then press Enter to open it immediately. Flow Launcher can do much more than launch applications. You can perform quick calculations, search the web, open system settings, execute commands, and use plugins to extend its functionality. I mean, the more you explore its features, the more time you can save during your daily workflow. If you'd like to customize the launcher, open the Settings menu from Flow Launcher. Here you can change the activation shortcut, manage plugins, adjust the appearance, and configure search behavior to match your preferences. Most settings are applied instantly, so you can test them as you make changes, and that's it. You now know the basics of using Flow Launcher to quickly access apps, files, and powerful productivity features on your Windows computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.